Okay, this video is about taking off the back wing here that you see on this Kia Sportage. So what you want to do here, you want to first take off the back of this panel, this plastic panel that goes there. So you got a couple little, you got one little hook, the plastic hook right there. And then you got, which is a very small hook. So you could just pry it off with your hands. And then you got a couple of these anchor buttons here that you also pry off when you take it off. And just be gentle with it and always pry by the sides, the edges of it. Next, you want to take off these bolts here. So these bolts are, you can use a socket for them. And so you have two right here. 1, 2, and then 2 over on this side. And then it looks like you have 4 in the center here, because there's one here, there, and then there. Okay, next you'll be using a drill. And then you could get one of these guys, the attachment that goes inside the drill there, and then a 10mm socket that will go in it, and that's all you'll need to take out those bolts that will be in the center here and on the side. You want to make sure you can grab this tiny bolt as you're spinning out, because you don't want it to get lost down into here. Then you'll have to get like a magnet to take it out. Okay, now that I did all 4 of the center bolts there, so obviously on the end part, when you take this off, you want to get right behind it and on the other side here, and then you could just easily kind of pull it out like that. So you always want to hold on it before you do it. So I zipped it out, and then right before I took the socket out, I put my other hand right here to hold it while I put the drill down, and then you know, you could remove it with 2 hands or 1 like I just did. Over here on these, on the side here, you just pop out these little sockets. Very easy to take them out, very easy to put them back, and use the bolts on the inside. So the reason I'm taking off the wing is because I'm going to be tinting this window here, and I can't reach up into there, you know, to shape it and heat shrink it. So that's why I'm pulling this wing off. So you just grab maybe the bottom here and just try like loosely to pry it up. And it looks like I got this half done, and this is just with 1 hand. And then so I'll just grab over here, make sure I got like a good little grip on here, and pry off the other side, and then pull up. So on the inside, I had to disconnect this plug to get this high enough so it could just sit there by itself. It was pretty easy once I popped this out, or just even wiggled it, it came right out. So that's about it. It's, you know, it wasn't too hard to pry up. Just look like there's a little 3M stick tape right here, and that's where you're actually maybe could get stuck prying it up from there, but all in all, it worked.